In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set phone call goals in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your phone call leads are tracked clearly and consistently. First, go to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple profiles, and give the page a moment to load fully so all menus appear. From here, click Goals. Depending on your layout, goals may be visible in the left-hand navigation or under the main Tools menu. Don't worry if the interface looks slightly different. The wording is the key. Next, click Conversions. This is where all your performance actions live and where Google Ads tracks the outcomes you care about most. Inside Conversions, click Summary. The summary view gives you a clean snapshot of everything that's already set up and a clear button to add something new. Now, click Create Conversion. This starts the setup flow for a brand new tracking action. When the options appear, click Phone Call Lead. Choosing this tells Google that the specific goal you want to measure is a phone call that indicates interest from a potential customer. On the next screen, click Add Conversion Actions. This is where you define the action that will count as success. Be thoughtful with names so you can recognize the action later in reports, and make sure the description matches how your team talks about phone leads. Clear naming prevents confusion when you have multiple conversions in the future. You'll be prompted to select the appropriate category. Choose the category that best matches your business objective for calls, such as lead or sales-related inquiry. Picking the closest match helps Google organize your reporting and makes it easier to compare performance across different conversion types. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. This locks in your selections and prepares the action for use. Take a second to double-check the summary on the screen. It's much faster to fix and edit now than later. Finally, click Finish. That confirms your setup and returns you to the Conversions area where your new phone call goal will appear. From here, you can monitor results over time and use the insights to optimize your campaigns. That's it. You went from the main account view to Goals into Conversions, reviewed the summary, created a new conversion, selected Phone Call Lead, added your conversion action, chose the right category, and saved everything. If you keep your naming clear and your categories accurate, your phone call reporting will be straightforward and actionable.